mathtrader.com. Welcome to mathtrader.com. This is the FMA Intraday Stock Ratings Order Execution Strategies ISROES tutorial. This tutorial has been created to provide the viewer with an understanding of how to read and use FMA stock ratings. In this tutorial, we will review the FMA stock rating scale, the uptrend range, and the downtrend range. FMA stock ratings are the result of a proprietary algorithm created by mathtrader.com. The FMA stock rating algorithm identifies intraday uptrends and downtrends in stock price action, and also identifies intraday overbought and oversold stock prices. The FMA stock rating algorithm has four components: the FMA stock rating indicator scale, the FMA price indicator scale, the uptrend range, and the downtrend range. The FMA stock rating indicator scale has 29 FMA stock rating indicator labels. The FMA stock rating indicator labels located above the FMA indicator label are used as an indicator scale to measure price expansion above the FMA indicator label. The FMA indicator labels located below the FMA indicator label are used as an indicator scale to measure price expansion below the FMA indicator label. The FMA price indicator scale is used to identify which FMA stock rating indicator label is greater than or equal to the real-time quote RTQ price. The price values for FMA and FMA plus 1% are displayed to demonstrate how the algorithm displays its FMA data. The current RTQ price for the sample stock is $12.87. The RTQ price of $12.87 is less than the FMA plus 1% price of $12.95, but is greater than the FMA price of $12.82. Therefore, the FMA stock rating algorithm highlights the FMA price indicator located to the right of the FMA stock rating indicator label. The remaining FMA price indicators are left unhighlighted. As time progresses, each real-time quote price will be processed by the algorithm and highlight the appropriate FMA price indicator. The FMA stock rating algorithm provides the investor with intraday stock rating order execution strategies, ISROES, that show the intraday stock prices where it is best to buy, sell, or hold a stock. Real-time stock quotes automatically activate the FMA price indicator for the appropriate FMA stock rating label indicator. This FMA stock rating display has been configured with artificial real-time quote prices of $1 through $29 to demonstrate how the 29 FMA price indicators are highlighted to indicate the appropriate FMA Stock Rating Indicator label: Uptrend Range, Neutral Range, or Downtrend Range. The artificial real-time quote prices associated with each FMA price indicator does not represent the delta range of actual stock price data that would be assigned by the FMA stock rating algorithm. Notice how each real-time quote value of $1 through $29 highlights a single FMA price indicator. The FMA Uptrend Range is defined as a stock price that is greater than or equal to FMA minus 1%. As the price of a stock increases above FMA plus 1%, it becomes more overbought. Typically, any stock that has a MAF stock rating of 10 and an FMA stock rating of XHFMA or higher is extremely overbought and should be sold. The FMA Neutral Range is defined as a stock price that is less than or equal to FMA plus 1% and greater than or equal to FMA minus 1%. This is where the FMA Uptrend Range and the FMA Downtrend Range share the common FMA Stock Rating Indicator label values of FMA minus 1%, FMA, and FMA plus 1%. The FMA Neutral Range is where stock price consolidation occurs. The FMA Downtrend Range is defined as a stock price that is less than or equal to FMA plus 1%. As the price of a stock decreases below FMA minus 1%, it becomes more oversold. Typically, any stock that has a MAF stock rating of 1 and the FMA stock rating of XLFMA or lower is extremely oversold and should be bought. FMA stock ratings and MAF stock ratings should be used in concert to produce the most effective investment results. To demonstrate this effectively, let's review the Apple Incorporated stock chart used in the MAF stock ratings tutorial.